Hey, I'm Sean with Habitat Kits. This is the latest version of the Mitsubishi Delica L400 camping drop-in module. I'm going to run you through the main features in the van now. So we've designed this unit specifically to hold a studio crate, but it can be used to hold other items. And then the kitchen unit pulls out for your cooker, storage drawer, and then you have a pull-out unit which can be a chopping board or a sink module. So you can simply pull the bed out. That exposes the storage unit, which is usually used for bedding. The other storage units have been specifically designed for a Stanley toolkit and a smaller version of the studio crate. So this specific unit was designed for the low roof model, so that you can sit in it in rainy days and still have a bit of a head clearance. And then you can also have the swivel seat in place, so you can house two people.
The best feature of all is how easy the install is. With a friend, the unit can be lifted into place, and that's it, you're ready to camp.